Hi guys, Matt, Technical Manager here, and a real quick update video on today regarding the Wi-Tek point-to-point kits. Real fan favourite on the left, I've got the CP513P kits. As you all know, these have been a fan favourite for many of our customers over the years. These have now been updated to a version 3. So a few cool features that have been added since the original version 1, to give you a quick update on those. So still come as a pre-matched pair in the box. So one will be a host, one will be a client, in your usual point-to-point setup. Pre-matched out of the box, they now are 802.3 AF-AT powerable, and their pass-through is the same as well. So the original versions were a passive unit, which meant you had to use the injectors. Now they still come with injectors in the box. However, if you want to neaten your installations or utilise a PoE switch in your wiring configuration and your topologies, then you can now run these straight off of a normal PoE switch, providing you've got the PoE budget. They are now also compatible with their Wi-Tek cloud platform. So once you've got these set up, you can scan the QR codes with the serial number of the units on the back of them, or from the box, add them to your site configuration on the Wi-Tek app, and then remotely you can check the status of that link, adjust settings if you need to, completely remotely. A fantastic unit that's been like I say, a fan favourite for all our customers over the years, and it's now recently been joined by a new younger brother, the CP800. For a while now we've been asking for a gigabit link, and this is where Wi-Tek come in now. So visually, much smaller than the 513. The CP800 gives you that gigabit port on the bottom, as well as 867 megahertz data transfer between the two point-to-points, whereas the 513s are only a 300 meg link with a 100 meg port on the bottom. The 800 kits don't have a PoE pass-through. The reason for that mainly is because you're likely to be bringing more than one camera through on a gigabit link. You're going to be using 8, 10, 12, multiple cameras over that link. Come with a built-in pole mount on the back with your straps in the box ready to go. Really simple setup, again exactly the same pre-matched out of the box. So one host, one client, pop them up on the pole, turn them on, and they'll automatically find each other. On the bottom you've got your network connection in. Again, these are powerable by standard PoE, so 802.3 AF-AT power. DC power if you needed to use that instead, and you've got a reset button in there as well if you needed to reset and default the links. Again, cloud compatible, so you can register them with your Wi-Tek cloud account, and again remotely monitor and confirm that the link is working remotely, either from the app on your phone, both Android and iOS, or via your laptop anywhere in the world, thanks to the Wi-Tek cloud platform. Okay, so you join me now in the Mad Digital training room. This is where we hold all of our DHSA, DHSP, DAO training, along with all the other training that we offer here at Mass Digital. If you want to find out more on that, speak to your account manager and they'll let you know what's the upcoming courses, latest available dates and availability. So speak to your account manager on that. But I'm just going to show you just how quickly and easily it is to set up these new Wi-Tek links, and it's the same on the older brother, the CP513s, but the CP800 kit, pretty much plug and play. You don't need any real configuration, although there may be times on site where you need to log into them and adjust things, but as a quick demonstration of how easily they are to pair up. So on my left here we've got a local camera connected straight into a recorder, as you can see on screen, and then on my right we've just got a standalone camera now. Yes, in the training room we're only talking a metre or two apart. In the real world these links can go anywhere up to 5 kilometres. Obviously line of sight is going to need to be perfectly clear to achieve those distances. This camera over here could be on an outbuilding, it could be a barn, it could be a shed, it could be anywhere that's just impossible or really difficult to get a cable run to from wherever your main recorder is. Now, all we need to do, one host, one client, is connect these into a PoE switch. So in this instance, this one is just going to go into that end. So once you've got your link all powered on and paired up, you'll be able to easily see from the indicators on the back of the unit your signal strength and whether you're getting any activity. So first on the left you've got your power light, so we know it's definitely turned on. Flickering Ethernet light, which shows that we're getting some sort of data connectivity between this unit and whatever is on the other side of it. And then your signal strength. So obviously we are very, very close here, so we've got an incredibly strong signal. But out in the field, you'll be able to use that to help align your point-to-point links. We'll just pop that one down over here. And on the other side, we'll just do exactly the same thing. So plugging them in, and again, we'll leave that to power on. Once they're powered on, they'll automatically scan and find each other. And then from this local recorder here, we will be able to find and add this remote camera over here. Really quick, really simple. So let's show you on the recorder. Okay, so from the local recorder then, all we need to do now is add our remote camera. You can see that from our wireless links, they are strongly connected with the pairing. I haven't had to do anything else other than turn them on and plug them in. We can see we've got our local recorder with our local camera already on and working. Now we just need to add the remote channel. So from the dial recorder into the camera list, hit search for device. Straight away it's found our other camera across the wireless link. We can add that straight in. Give that a couple of seconds to go green. Now all of a sudden we've now got a camera over there and a camera over here. Perfectly in sync, moving nice and smoothly, no issues whatsoever. Completely invisible link as well, so if you want to use things like VLANs and things like that, you can push those through on the wireless links. But in terms of the CCTV, really quickly there, in a matter of seconds, granted I'm in a small space, but you can use those wireless links really quickly and effectively to get things set up over a wireless bridge. So real quick update there for you, fantastic new unit. Already on the shelves, ready to come to you tomorrow, next day pre-noon delivery, as always from Mass Digital. If you have any questions on the new products, just give us a call, drop us a comment and a like in the bottom, and we'll see you in the next one.